What's up, rooftop leaders? I'm super excited. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Nan Brainerd, and I'm really excited to kick off this group with you guys. So to get us started, we all need a place to start, right? We all need to identify how we're going to hit Diamond by May 12th. So what we want to do is we are going to have you do just a real quick assignment today. You're going to go to your back office. You're going to log in. You're going to go to My Business, and you're going to go to My Downline and Sponsorship Drill Down. This is the easiest place to look at your placement of your coaches to see where we have some holes to hit Diamond. So to hit Diamond, we'll quickly touch over this. You need 4 coaches, 4 on your right leg and 4 on your left leg. Remember that we are a binary system, meaning 2 legs. And then you need an emerald coach on your left leg, and you need an emerald coach on your right leg. So what we are going to do is I'm going to give you guys, this is an example from my back office. So this is a form that we're going to have you guys fill out today. What you want to do is you can print this off, and we're going to have you guys post this in the comment section, okay? So print this off so we can help you and see how we can help you achieve this, okay? It's really important that we get this identified right off the bat. We have 5 weeks to hit this awesome goal, and I know each one of you guys can do it. So basically, this is going to represent your right leg. This is going to represent your left leg. You can kind of leave this part out in the middle, this PV part. And then what you're going to do is you'll put your personally sponsored coaches here in each of these. And again, you're going to 4 on each of these. This is each of your legs. And then you're going to need an emerald on each side. So an emerald, again, is 2 coaches, guys, okay? Because we definitely are going to help you get those emerald coaches as well. So who's ready to go to the rooftop with me? Let's do it.